Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm teacher Esther Dali. What is your name?
My name is Hong Chang.
Hong Chu. Am I right? Hong Chu?
Hong Chang.
Hong Chang.
Yes.
Alright. Hello, Hong Chang. Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you too.
Okay, how are you, Hong Chang?
I'm wonderful.
Alright, that's great. Do you have class today?
No.
Oh, there's no class. Why?
Um.
Why is it that you don't have class today? It's Friday, right?
Yes. Because
Yeah.
now is holidays.
Oh, it's holiday there in China or just in your place?
Malaysia.
What kind of holiday do you have today?
Uh.
Is it national holiday?
Yes.
Okay. All right. That's great to know. All right. Now, how about this coming Monday? Do you have class?
This Monday.
Or, yes.
Yes, I have class.
Okay. How about this coming Monday? Do you still have class or still holiday?
Still have class.
Ah, you already have class. Okay. That's good to know. All right. Now, Hongcha, are you ready for a class now?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's start. Now listen to the teacher and eyes on teacher. Oops. Okay, now Hang Chan, what can you see in the picture?
Tornado ALlley.
All right, Tornado ALlley.
Tornado ALlley.
All right. Have you seen any tornadoes?
No.
Oh, not yet. All right. Okay, let's see to the next page. Now today you're going to learn our topic. Can you please read?
Weather and climate. Let Tornado ALlley.
Okay, very good. So there are words that you're going to read or learn: the tornado, tube, alley, and basement. And we also learn a grammar, which is the present perfect tense. All right. Now look at the picture. What do you think, or which kind of wind is the strongest? Is it one, two, or three?
Tree.
Three. Oh, yes, that's great. Now look at the picture in number three. What happened here?
Uh, that a tornado.
Yeah, there it has tornado. What else? What can you see in the picture?
The wind and the trees broke.
What happened to the trees?
The trees broke.
Oh, the trees broke. Okay, you will say the trees were cut. Yeah, very good. So here in number two, just a strong wind and a strong wind. But here in number three, the trees were cut and fell down. That's why in number three is the strongest wind of all. Now let's prepare. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, look at this one. Oh, that is
That is tornado.
tornado. Very good. Now let's read the sentence.
A tornado is the strongest wind on earth.
Okay, very good. The tornado is the strongest wind on earth. Okay, if look at this picture, which shows a tornado here.
Picture 2.
All right, very good. Good job, Hong Chang. All right, now Hong Chang, if you will be in this place where the tornado happened, what will the first thing you will do?
Run away.
Run away. Okay, which do you think is the safest place for you to hide or run to?
The down. What can I say?
Down, underground.
Yes, underground.
Yeah. Yes, very good. You will hide in the underground. Okay, very good. So I have another question. What do you think will happen to the place hit by a tornado? What do you think will happen to the place hit by the tornado?
What happened?
What will happen? Yes, what happened?
The tree will cut and the house will broke.
Okay, the house will damage. The trees will fall down. What else?
And somebody will accident.
Oh, yeah, very good. Some of it will gain accident, or some will be dead, or they will lose their life. All right, good job. You're good in English, Hong Chun. Okay, now how about this one, Hong Chun?
Two.
Okay, what's this word?
Two.
Two. Okay, very good. Now let's read.
A tornado looks like a moving tube.
Okay, very good. Look at this tornado. They are just the same with this tube. Can you see a tube? Have you seen a tube at home?
Yes.
Yes. Like, look at the tornado. It's just the same with a tube that moving like that. Okay, now, which is a tube here?
A picture one.
A picture one. Okay, very good. Now, how about this one? How will you read this one?
Alley.
Alley.
Tornadoes mostly happen in an area called Tornado ALlley.
Okay, very good. Good job. Oops. Okay, tornadoes mostly happen in an area called Tornado Alley. Look at the picture. What do you think, or what countries are the Tornado Alley here?
Um,
Can you find one? Can you, excuse, can you clearly see it? The countries?
I can't see the word. It's so small.
Ah, okay. Teacher will too. Okay, look at this one. So this map indicates, or it shows, the tornado alley where the tornado will pass through. Oh, it will happen. Mostly it happened in the country like Texas, Colombia. What's this? I can't clearly see it. Texas
Korea.
and Colombia.
Korea.
Colombia. I think that's Colombia. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Now, Hong Chang, this tornado alley crosses into Texas.
Tornado alley.
Do you think that the tornado cross into Texas?
Yes.
All right. You will say, yes, Tornado Alley crosses into Texas.
Yes, the tornado across the Texas.
Again?
Yes, tornado alleys crosses into Texas.
Texas. Oh, yeah, it's not Texas. I mean, Texas. All right. Now, let's proceed. How about this one?
Basement.
Basement. Very good. Can you read the sentence?
He ran into the in a basement to exit the tornado under the
Okay,
ground.
very. Oh yes, very good. To the underground. Okay, one more time. Say the word escape.
Escape,
Is
escape,
escape.
escape.
Okay, very good. Now look at this picture. Somebody will open the door underground, and this is the
But
basement. All right. Now look at the picture. Where is the basement?
uh, eh,
The basement is
the
underground.
ground.
Very good. Okay. May I ask if your house has basement?
No,
No, there is no basement. Do you know someone that has a basement in their house?
my friend.
All right, they have underground basement. Have you seen it, or did you enter into their basement, or no?
I enter.
Oh, wow. What can you say? What can you share? What have you seen there?
I can, what can I say? It's
What have you seen?
I, I can say his house more money.
Ah, yeah. You can say that there's some money. Your friends has a lot of money. Their
The
families.
basement. It built a basketball court.
Really? They're so rich. There's a basketball court underground.
Yes.
Oh, very wealthy person. Your friend is so rich.
Yes.
Yeah. They might have a big business. That's why they built that big house. All right, now let's read a conversation. Oops. Okay, kindly please read.
Have you ever seen a tornado? A tornado is the strongest wind on earth. It's a spinning tube of air that touch both the ground and sky. They can happen on land or water. Scientists have
Scientist
scientists have studied a lot
studied.
studied a lot about tornadoes and and sometimes actually case tornadoes to study even more.
All right, very good. Okay, now this one we will learn a grammar, the present perfect tense. Okay, can you please read? We use.
We use the present perfect to talk about an action that began in the past and has a result now.
All right, very good. Can you please read example?
I have studied English of 3 years.
For 3 years. Okay, very good. So here, this is a present perfect tense. I have studied. All right. A present have, you use the auxiliary verb have and ends with ed. Just for example, this one. I have studied. Okay, can you make example that use have and ends the word ed?
Study ed.
For example, this one. This is a perfect case. For example, I have
Study
I have watched One Piece for 2 years.
oh
Okay,
have
do you watch One Piece, an anime? No,
no.
no. Ah, okay. So here, in present perfect tense, you are studying before and still studying now. That is the present perfect tense. For example, I have studied English for 3 years. So long ago, 3 years ago, you studied in 5-1 talk or in English, and you are still studying now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's answer this question. What is a tornado like?
The tornado like a spinning tube of air.
Okay, very good.
Spinning.
Okay, a tornado looks like a spinning tube. Okay, now, can you please read?
Have you heard now how tornadoes happen? Tornadoes are created when warm wet air meets cold, dry air. For example, America gets lots of tornadoes when the warm air of Mexico meets the cold air of Canada.
Canada. All right, very good. So now I will ask you, how are tornadoes created?
The, the tornadoes create when warm, wet air meets cold, dry air.
All right, very good. So the tornado was created, or it's created when the warm or the hot air meets the cold, dry air. Okay, in China, are you in China right now?
No,
Where are you now?
Malaysia.
Ah, you're in Malaysia. Okay, hello. Hello from Malaysia there. Okay, so in Malaysia, is it having a winter, a snow there? No,
No,
no. Just rain and
sunny.
sunny. Just the same. Oh, we're just the same in Philippines.
But I one time I have seen the tornadoes.
What?
So I have been seeing the tornadoes in Malaysia.
Oh, you never seen.
I have seen.
Ah, you have seen already in Malaysia, but
And
not in your place.
small, in so small.
Just a small one.
Penang, in
Where?
Penang.
Where it happened? In air
In
or in water? Or in
two,
land?
on
Two.
land, on land also have, on water also have.
Ah, okay. The two tornadoes happened in the land and
No,
water
have two tornadoes. One on
for air.
water,
Water,
one's on land.
land. Oh, okay. So you have seen two tornadoes. Wow. Oh, what happened there? What happened in the place?
On land, I have seen the tornadoes like the sand, all the sand,
Comes up. Comes up.
all so long.
How about the things in the land? Are they all fly with a tornado?
Yes, all flat.
Oh, okay. All right. Also, I have seen tornadoes in the ocean, but just a small one and it goes away. Yeah.
I have seen it on the ocean and he come, it's come, and one people died.
Oh, okay. Before that. Okay. When the water spin and spin and spin, then the water comes up to the air or to the
Yes.
sky.
The
Right?
water is strong.
Mm,
The
yeah.
water and the wind is strong. It's make one people will die.
Whoa, there's so many people.
One people.
I thought 100 people died. Okay, one person.
Yes.
One person died. Okay. All right. Thank you for your sharing your story. Now, look, can you please
Where
read?
where do most tornadoes happen? The U.S. has around 1,200 tornadoes every year, more than any other countries. That's like 3 until 4 tornadoes per day. Most tornadoes have happened in an area called Tornado Alley.
All right, very good. You're a good reader. Now, where have most tornadoes happened in the U.S.?
More than any country,
Oh, okay. Most tornadoes have happened in an area called Tornado Alley. Okay. Next, read.
Super tornado.
Oh, this is a super tornadoes. Oh my. That's a big one. Okay, can you please read?
Tornado usually only last for a few minutes and only travel for a few
Miles.
miles. The wind speed is usually less than 100 miles per hour.
However,
However, there have been some super tornadoes. The wind speed can be over 300 miles per hour and last for over an hour, traveling over 100 miles.
okay, what is the wind speed of a tornado?
Speed 100 miles per hour.
Okay, the speed is 100 miles per hour, or it can be over 300 miles per hour. All right, very good. Have you ever been, though?
No. Have you
Oh,
ever been in a tornado? Tornadoes are very dangerous. They can pick up cars, destroy,
destroy?
destroy buildings, and ever knock down strong trees. The best protection from a tornado is to check the weather for for
Forecast.
forecast. If you are caught in tornadoes, run to somewhere that is underground, like a basement.
Very good. Is staying outside during a tornado is safe or not?
The tornado is dangerous.
Yes, no, because tornadoes are very dangerous. Now let's practice what you've learned. Let's complete the sentence by adding the words from this word bank. Okay, let's start. A word go.
A tornado is the strongest wind on earth. It
Very
is
good.
a spinning tube of air that touches both the ground and the sky. The most hit area is US. It's called Tornado ALlley.
Alley. Very good.
In a tornado, you should stay underground like in a basement.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, how about this? Let's complete that chart. Look at the picture. What's tornado?
Tornado.
Tornado is a
Tornado is
strongest.
stronger winds in Earth.
Okay, strongest wind on earth.
On
Okay, how about how is tornado created?
it is the weather is dry, wet air, and wind.
Okay, all right. Now, tornadoes are created when the warm or the hot, wet or the wet air meets the cold, dry air. So if they meet together, then a tornado created. Now, where mostly happened the tornado?
Texas.
Okay, very good. Or in America, most tornadoes have happened in an area called Tornado. What's next? Tornado Alley. Now, what
Tornado.
to do? What to do if there's a tornado in your place?
Uh, we need to run. Oh, we need to stay in the under the ground or in basement.
All right, very good. Good job, Hong Chong. Now, prepare for your writing answering question. All right, we're done here. So, what is a tornado? It is a
It is
strongest.
strongest wind.
All right, very good. Wind on earth. What's like? It looks like a
It looks like a spinning tube.
very good. How do tornadoes happen or created? When the
When the hot,
warm,
warm, warm,
wet,
wet, and the
cold,
cold mix,
and dry air.
dry air mix.
All right. When the warm, wet air, and the cold, dry air mix together, then the tornado created. All right. Very good. Now, Hong Chang, today we learned. Can you please read?
Weather and climate, Tornado ALlley.
Very good. How about this?
Tornado, two, alley, basement.
Okay. Can you please read the grammar sentence? The present perfect tense.
tense. Scientists have studied a lot about tornadoes.
All right, great job. So now, Hong Chang, we learn about those words and the sentences about tornadoes. Always remember what you learn and apply, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you for your time, Hong Chang. Have a good day to you. Say hi to me to your friends in Malaysia. Goodbye.